Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys and welcome for a new video. Today I'm gonna show you this rack reverse pitch delay, which is basically a delay where you can reverse the signal, the delay signal. You can filter it and you can pitch it as well, and you have three different kind of delay inside the rack. So it's kind of similar than this plugin Crystallizer from SoundToys. I don't know if you're familiar with, but it's gonna be something similar than that. So you can apply either for dub techno or for techno. I'm gonna show you both cases and I'm gonna make you listen to it now. So that's for dub techno. So you can hear the delay is reversed and pitch. So if I okay, and let me show you for another purpose with more like pitch rather than reverse. So it's nice. Same goes with this one. You see, so you can get this really nice kind of delay and a bit original rather than the simple basic delay. So let me explain you the racks. So basically you have this reverse button, which is gonna allow you to reverse the signal. So this is dry. And then if I reverse, you can hear that. And I have the filter, which is basically the filter from the delay, and you can, here is gonna be like full filter, like almost no filter, full signal, sorry. And then going down is the delay filter, basically where you narrow the Q, so it's like a smaller range here. And you get this kind of dubby effect. And you have to delay because you have a pitch as well, and you can pitch like each different delay and then you can combine. For say, like for example, I put this one at +5 semitone, so now you see this one is 5 semitone upper. That was normal. Okay, let's put this one actually at +5, and then you can hear that both delay now. And then you can even add the third delay if you want, and if you want, for example, let's pitch it 1 octave upper, and then bring it as well. So using more than 3 delays is fine. You just have to be careful because you can get kind of very messy if you use 3 delays. So it can be great like for kind of SFX kind of delay, but if you want more like a rhythmic delay, like for the chord here, it might be better to just keep just 1 or 2 delay there. And so let's go how I made that. Basically, so you have the dry signal where you chord is going through, and then you have another chain where it's the delay 1. And so I use this pitch arc, this Max for Live device that is in the Creative extension, I think. And so you can kind of pitch the signal, and so that's what this macro is assigned to the pitch here. So you can pitch it from +24 until -24. And you have this reverse knob here, which is basically gonna reverse the signal. And other thing to consider is like you have this rate here is gonna as well affect your pitch. So when this is at 0, it doesn't affect nothing, but for example if I put at +5, okay, it's like this. And then if I put like more, you see it gets this kind of LFO. So you see at 128 you can might find some interesting stuff. You can even modulate this with a LFO later on. I mean, its possibility obviously are big. and then it's going into a delay. So I've put the feedback at 70. So you're gonna see there is a long version, this one, and there is a short one. This one is more like for dub FX. That's why I made two versions, like for dub chord or stuff like that. You have long feedback. But for example, if you want to play melody and your delay feedback is too long, and with the pitch, it's gonna kind of mess everything up. So it's good to have a version with maybe just the feedback around 30%. Like this, you don't have too much tail of a delay, and like this is not getting messy. I'm gonna show you later. And so yeah, here the 3 delay you can see it's different value here, which is kind of different delay. I just put here like, you know, to desynchronize a little bit. And yeah, basically the filter is controlling the shape, the width of the filter, sorry. So like this, you have something very narrow or something big. And basically all the macro here are applied to all the other. So this one, the pitch is here, and you have the reverse as well applied to the same macro, and here the filter as well. You see it's all controlling the same. Just the delay amount is basically the volume of the chain. So you can adjust basically the weight, because here the delay is 100% and the pitch as well is 100%. So that's how it works. And so let me show you now. Here is, I didn't use. So this one is the short one, so you can see, like I told you, the feedback is at 20, around 20. Actually, it's not even 30. I put 20, and because if I put 70, let's say, you're gonna see it's gonna sound kind of messy. You see it's like overcharged, like there is too much signal. I mean, this obviously you can put the parameter you like. If you want something more in the middle, around 50% or 40%, that's completely up to you. And same here, you can change the rate as well. You can automate with LFO, make your own, you know, make your own variation. And yeah, this kind of delay is great because you can even automate. So for example, I don't use the delay 3, but see, you can play with, add variation. Maybe move a little bit. I mean, you have a very high amount of possibility. So yeah, obviously don't hesitate to change the pitch, maybe go a little bit weird, like putting weird value, like for example, I don't know, let's say 1, 2, and 3. I don't know, you know, just try things. And maybe you can just try things. You see, you can automate that. I mean, like, it's really nice rack, and you see it can work easily well for this kind of techno, a bit more dark, aggressive, but it's really nice as well for like dub chord, like having this reverse delay. You can actually reverse here as well. Just for this case it doesn't work that well, but yeah. So I hope guys you like the rack. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Activate the bell notification to don't miss any new rack. The rack will be available in the description. It's for free. So please, on your way down, just like the video, share it, subscribe, and see you soon guys. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching.